Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. It's a bit chilly today and just looking down there looks like the market's been on, hence the craziness. Anyway, we've got some good news guys after doing a bit of research work, etc, etc. We should, fingers crossed, be publishing the very first ever tourist guidebook made by myself guys, very soon hopefully, so can't wait for that. Just got the beautiful Hotel Helios over there guys. Never stayed there myself, so I can't really say too much, but from what I've heard, it's a good hotel. Heated outdoor pool. Also, the outdoor pool does have a floor designed to rise and lower, so you can have like difference between depths as well. Crossover. I'm hoping my gimbal don't die today, even though I did charge it last night. Probably dropped dead on me halfway through. Still people coming to Benidorm as well guys. Many going home though as well. I think today's probably like sort of day when people come and go. Anyway, so as I was saying about the books guys, fingers crossed I'll have them released soon. Venus, they're having a whole refurb done. Anyway, as I was saying, hopefully have them released soon. Think they're going to be just e-books, Kindle e-books sort of thing. Not too sure yet guys, because we haven't really done much research into that, how it works to get them done into paperback. But still we'll probably do a few different tour guide books, tour guides of Benidorm, places like that. Then hopefully soon I'll be creating some books about like more story-wise. Jokers there still remaining. Wait, I don't know actually. I think Jokers might actually be back open. Yeah, I think Jokers are back open.
Is they back?
I've got some shows advertised there. Tribute to the Bee Gees, got Benidorm Fantastics. Of course, one of my favourite shows, Bruno Mars. You got Soul and Motown, Majestics duo. And Marcus, I believe that is. Yeah. And once I've sort of mastered the tour guides, I think I may move on to like more sort of books from my imagination, like stories, horrors, sort of stuff like that. Anyway, our cost gold over there, looking very good today. Royal Lower Bar's a bit quiet by looks of it though, probably a bit too cold to be fair, and just zooming in over there, you will see the work they have had done is just like a sort of roofed off area at the back of the bar. Then like a canopy as you do come into the reception area. That's the Royal Arrow and Arcos Gold. And just this side behind us, Hotel Presidente. Now I've only been in reception area at that hotel, guys, but from what I did see at the hotel, it is a very nice hotel, and I have heard a lot of good stuff. Great food, friendly staff, lot of great entertainment in there as well. I do believe you have 2 bars in there, ain't it? I think the top bar has got a singer on, then you've got the Philippines 10.
Have a disco upstairs and then...
Yeah, a disco upstairs, entertainment downstairs. It's been a while since I've been in there, guys. So.
Got the rock bets in there as well.
Yeah. I faintly remember they had a singer in there. I can't remember, to be honest. All I remember is the night of filming we were in there, it was a proper night shift. I was full of cold. And I just had the tattoo done the same day, so to say I was suffering was an understatement. What? Oh! Apparently Hotel Don Poncho is doing a special show soon. Jiminy Cricket, Saturday the 25th of February, live at the Hotel Don Poncho, €15 per person. Jimmy Cricket.
Yeah, we seen him years ago, Blackpool, one of the piers.
Is he any funny?
Yeah, he's a good chap. He was when we seen him.
Right, no, it ain't who I've seen then, is it? I'm thinking of Billy Pierce, whatever his name is. Anyway, so that should be good for Benidorm. Comedy legend coming to Benidorm. Got the Outback Bar there as well, only open every night, I believe.
You'd have been alright, Mark, it's on your birthday, you could have took your crock in there.
Hope you've all had a lovely week so far. I'm going to carry on going, even though I have sort of past 8 minutes. I'm just sort of wanting to get down, give my friend's place a shout out. Went lying there, recently had a full refurb done with the new windows on the outside. Anyway, as we come further down Avenue de Filipinas, we do eventually come to where I'm wanting to show you guys. Great little place. Best place for food and stuff. Exchange rate 111.
11.
Is that good or
Not really,
bad?
but
Not really good, is it? Anyway, I think you can just about see where I'm going to film now. Florida Pasteleria, guys. Best place if you want in pies, bread, baguettes, cakes, all made fresh as well. Food is top of the range, guys. Everything is made fresh, high quality food. So if you're in Benidorm looking for a pie shop, pop down here to Florida Pasteleria, pop in to see Mercedes, Sarah and Miguel. Trust me guys, the food is amazing. Anyway guys, I'll love and leave you here. Hit the like, hit subscribe. Yeah, see you in the next one I guess.